Good morning, everyone. What I have here today is kind of a variation of my Hudson Bay camp knife. This is just about the same thing, same sheath, of course, molded around the handle, wet form. Handle is very similar, but the blade is shorter. It's 6 5/8, about 11 and a half or so inches overall length, whereas the Hudson Bay one has an 8-inch blade, considerably bigger knife. The thickness is the same, a heavy 3/16 to 1/4 of an inch thick, and of course the swedge on the end here. These are, no, as always, both of them are intended for heavy camp use and survival situations, things like that. Kind of reminiscent of the old frontier knives. It's what I patterned these from. Lanyard hole, maybe that's not quite as authentic as what you would have seen in the past. And then, of course, these heavy-duty bolts that I use to attach the handle are more of a modern touch as well. But it doesn't hurt anything. And of course, the traditional gunstock tiger maple, very popular here. Anyway, as I say, same sheath and signed and dated on the back. This has a little different kind of loop system that I put on here. It's not the dangler, but yet I make it so that it can kind of give you a little bit more freedom when you have it on your belt, and doesn't whack into your leg quite as much as the other ones at times, and maybe not quite as forgiving as the dangler sheath. Kind of in between. Anyhow, again, the wait list is available on my site. That is not a custom ordered piece as far as being available to custom order off my site. That is a direct request type on my wait list or a phone call order. If you'd like to join that, please do. And please subscribe to my channel here. It helps us a lot, getting as many followers as we can. And we do have a lot more videos coming here soon. So please stay tuned. And thank you again for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.